Well, look how much everything's grown since I think 2 weeks ago I did the video. So lavender and the heather, the spirea is coming out now. I was so scared I kind of killed that. Some strawberries. Here's my cabbages, my snap peas I planted about, I don't know, it feels like 2 months ago. Onions and carrots, lots of sage, more onions and carrots, and a little bit of cabbage, oregano, mint, cilantro, and then of course all these things have moved here before hopefully this weekend I stain the deck, since it's not burning hot and not, it's still warm but not burning hot, and it's to be dry. Grass is lovely and green. Dog cut it today. This peony is going to come out soon, the pink one, and then this white one's just bursting today, so tomorrow. And then a few extras here. Everything's just growing fast. It's just lovely colors and depth. Look at these irises, they're lovely. Yeah, and I killed this one over here, so, well, with water. I didn't kill it, but having to pin it up. See, look at all the water on it. It's very pretty. Yeah, my little cats are, can't find my water fountain still. Yeah, I don't know if these irises are going to come out. That's annoying. This is this licorice plant here that grows huge big pink stems that the hummingbirds love. Cats are, I think, looking really healthy, as is our Percy boy. You're gonna go inside now, please? Your sister's just been sick there after eating all the grass. Don't eat your sister's sick, please. This is what they're after, the grass. This was my Mother's Day basket that I ordered through the school that Erin and Isla used to go to. I give some money to their library. Isn't that gorgeous? Looks like there is actually some geraniums in there, but it's all petunias. And they come back every year. Oh, now some hummingbirds might like these orange things. Yep. And like I said, the clematis has not come out, which is worrying me, because I see the buds. And this is a purple, little light purple one. I've got it draping over here. And my little work table here. Yep. Now I've lost. Well, I need to put Percy in. Yeah, do you see how light colored it is? So hopefully tomorrow you'll see it darkened up. It's actually going to be darker than this because I've got a darker stain. Yeah, okay.